Hey, this is your Hollywood maintenance. I'm here on a work order saying no heat. And this is our HVAC system. It's ran off cold water, chilled water, and off the boiler system. So I came here, opened up this panel, so I thought I'd shoot a video. And I'm filling this pipe and it's not hot. This pipe should be hot. I also see that this lever here isn't engaged, which it should be over here. If I do it manually, I have it on manual now, the pipe starts to get hot. So I'm gonna pull off this cover here, get my meter and see if I'm getting 24 volts. I'm getting 24 volts. This actuator valve is bad. So I'm gonna give that a shot. If not, I'll try the thermostat. I could actually try it now. F2, coming to the thermostat here. I was taking another call, but anyways, I'm gonna jump. I could jump the red, which is power, white, which is heat, and green, which is fan. If I jump that, I could see, and if this starts to go over here, I mean you have a bad thermostat. So I'll try that first. All right, use my little screwdriver, my thermostat screwdriver. I like this one. I also have one on my HVAC one too, but I like using that one. I also bought this. I made this myself. It's easier, it's colored. You can buy all black or green, white, whatever you want. I just like buying the multicolor ones and making my own, so I can put red with the red, white with white, green with green, and if I was doing cooling for air conditioning, I would use this yellow instead of white. But anyways, I'm jumping the thermostat right now. And it looks like it moved. Remember I was saying it was over here? Just like the cooling. See, the cooling's there. So now that I jumped the thermostat, that's telling me it's a bad thermostat. So I'm gonna go see if I have a thermostat. Get back with you. All right, I'm back. Put the wires back on. Got a new face. Put on heat here. Not sure if it's on time delay or not. I just pulled the face off of a vacant unit. Looks like the activator valve's moving, so that's good. Awesome. All looks looks like that's it. Just a bad thermostat. Just so I get out of here quicker. I need to order a thermostat too, and that was just fast. It's right before lunch. Just want to hurry up. I could put if I even had a new thermostat, I would put it in the vacant so I could paint around it, make it look good. So that keeps a nice apartment. Well, if this was helpful, like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and see you on the next one, which probably installing a thermostat. Thanks for watching.